Daily use simple sentences. I didn't beat. I didn't beat. I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep. I didn't read. I didn't read. I didn't open. I didn't open. I didn't eat. I didn't eat. I didn't bath. I didn't bath. I didn't break it. I didn't break it. I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. I didn't see. I didn't see. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. I didn't start. I didn't start. I didn't go. I didn't go. I didn't wear it. I didn't wear it. She didn't laugh. She didn't laugh. We didn't enjoy. We didn't enjoy. The cat didn't run. The cat didn't run. The dog didn't bark. The dog didn't bark. The shop didn't open. The shop didn't open. The bus didn't start. The bus didn't start. He didn't call me. He didn't call me. They didn't finish it. They didn't finish it. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.